The best-selling lawn mower lift isn't always the best, most just look the same online. Same claims, same photos, same heavy-duty buzzwords. But when you actually need to lift a 700-pound zero-turn safely for blade work, the real differences show up fast. Today, I'm cutting through the noise with 5 real options that actually deliver. Product number 1, Jungle Gym's Mower Jack. First up, the Jungle Gym's Commercial Mower Jack. This yellow beast costs $308, making it the priciest on this list, but it's built like a tank. What caught my eye is its patented 800-pound capacity and the fact it's designed specifically for ZTRs and stand-on mowers, something most cheaper lifts struggle with. If you want a professional-grade lift that won't wobble under heavy zero turns, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The twist handle safety arm locks the jack in place without fiddling with pins, huge when you're doing quick blade changes or deck cleaning. Plus, the spring-loaded lifting tooth hooks onto the deck baffle in seconds, lifting up to 19 inches. That's enough clearance to slide under and actually work, not just peek. It fits 90% of mowers with the standard 2-tooth, and you can upgrade to 3 if needed. With a 2-year weld warranty and powder-coated steel, this thing is made for daily use on job sites. Now, some people might balk at the $308 price tag, and honestly, it's steep for casual homeowners. Also, at nearly 30 pounds, it's not the lightest to carry around. But here's the thing, if you're maintaining multiple mowers weekly, that durability and speed pay off fast. This isn't a weekend warrior tool, it's for landscapers or serious DIYers who can't afford downtime. This is perfect for you if you own a heavy zero-turn or stand-on mower and need fast, stable access for maintenance. Skip this one if you only mow once a week and just need occasional underdeck cleaning. For pros, though, this is a no-brainer investment. Product number 2, BeautyZone Telescopic Lift. Next, the BeautyZone Lawn Mower Lift Jack at $114. This red telescopic jack supports 880 pounds and folds down flat, making it a solid mid-range option. What stands out is the dual lifting system. You can use the hand crank or attach a power drill for faster lifts. If you want reliable performance without breaking the bank, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 880-pound capacity handles most riding mowers and small tractors, and the foldable design means it stores easily in a shed or truck bed. The carbon steel build feels sturdy, and the locking mechanism gives peace of mind when you're crawling underneath. Plus, it lifts up to 23.6 inches, more than enough for oil changes, belt inspections, or debris removal. Now some buyers complain the instructions are vague, and assembly can be tricky the first time. Also, while it supports power drills, you'll need a low-speed, high-torque drill, otherwise it might stall. But once it's set up, it's rock solid. The price-to-performance ratio here is excellent. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer with a riding mower or garden tractor and want flexibility between manual and powered lifting. Skip this one if you need to lift commercial-grade ZTRs daily. Go for something heavier duty. For weekend warriors, though, this is a great balance of cost and capability. Product number 3, VEVR Foldable Mower Jack. Now, if the BeautyZone's vague instructions frustrated you, the VEVR lift jack might be your answer. Priced at just $89.87, this black carbon steel jack supports 880 pounds and features a similar telescopic design, but with clearer engineering. It's nearly identical in function to the BeautyZone, but often comes with better packaging and slightly more detailed setup guides. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It lifts up to 23.6 inches at a 36-degree angle, giving you real working space under the deck. The dual handle system, manual crank or power drill, lets you choose based on urgency. And the foldable frame fits in tight spaces, making it ideal for small garages. It's compatible with ATVs and garden tractors too, so it's not just for mowers. Now some users report that the paint chips easily if dragged on concrete, and the locking pins can feel a bit flimsy compared to pricier models. Also, at nearly 47 inches long when extended, it needs room to operate. But for under $90, you're getting serious lifting power. This is perfect for you if you want maximum value and don't mind minor build quirks. Skip this one if you need commercial durability or plan to use it daily. For homeowners with a riding mower, this is a steal. Product number 4, ZMC YG Upgrade Lift. Alright, that was a solid budget option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for precision work. The ZMC YG Upgrade Lift at $135.96. This red alloy steel jack lifts from 2 all the way up to 25.2 inches, the highest range on this list. That extra height makes a big difference when you're doing deep cleaning or transmission checks. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The hydraulic-assisted system reduces effort, and the anti-slip foot pedal adds stability, critical when you're lifting uneven terrain. The adjustable length from 25 to 44 means it fits a wider range of mowers, and the red powder coating resists rust better than basic paint. Plus, it comes with both manual and power tool handles, so you're covered either way. Now, some people say the hydraulic mechanism can feel slow compared to pure mechanical lifts, and at only 20x5x9 inches when folded, it's compact but not the sturdiest base. Also, the price jumps noticeably from the VEVR, but if you need that extra lift height and smoother operation, it's justified. This is perfect for you if you do frequent, detailed maintenance and want maximum adjustability. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional use. For detail-oriented owners, though, this is a standout. Product number 5, AFKI 1000 lb Lift. Finally, if you're lifting heavy-duty tractors or commercial mowers, the AFKI Lift at $166.91 might be your best bet. With a 1,000-pound capacity and high carbon steel construction, it's the strongest here. The orange powder-coated finish isn't just for looks, it's built to last in harsh conditions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Z-handle design increases efficiency by up to 300% according to the brand, and the included 14-foot safety straps add an extra layer of security. The adjustable height and width fit most tractors, and the Q235 alloy steel is 25% thicker in key areas to prevent bending. It's also surprisingly lightweight at 21 pounds, making it easy to move around. Now, some users say the orange color shows dirt quickly and the swivel sleeve can feel loose over time. Also, it's not foldable like the others, so storage takes more space. But for raw strength and safety, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you own a heavy garden tractor or commercial mower and prioritize strength and safety. Skip this one if you need portability or compact storage. For serious yard warriors, this is a top-tier choice. So which one should you buy? If you're a pro with a ZTR, go Jungle Gyms. Need value and versatility, Beauty Zone or VEVR. Want maximum lift height, ZMC YG. And if you're lifting heavy tractors regularly, AFKI's 1,000-pound capacity is unmatched. Each has trade-offs, but all beat crawling under a mower with a cinder block. Pick the one that fits your mower and your back will thank you.